So today we're going to be testing a unit that is going to Adam Kale. This unit came for repairs. The power was not sustainable, and as well as the electric start wasn't working. So we did the testing last week, and Safa tested it for like a half hour, and it's working really well. So one of the problems that I see, but it didn't affect the test on Friday or Thursday, was that the grounding on the alternator wasn't that good. So I'm going to show you that to you. So I'm going to measure the voltage from the ground to this point right here. This point is also connected to the second battery, so we should be measuring 24 volts. So from this connector to this point, I'm getting 19 volts. Now I'm going to measure the voltage right from the board right here, and I'm going to stick it really hard. And no matter how hard I stick it, I'm getting like 9 volts, 5 volts, so it's fluctuating, even 10 volts. So we have a voltage drop of about 9 volts. So that's the problem. Okay, that's a problem right now. But we're going to test it like that, but we're going to change this, okay? Now start the gas engine. So Adam, when you start the gas engine, you want to make sure that there's no grass underneath the deck, because if you do that, that creates a lot of resistance for the electric start. You will blow the fuse and might cause problems. We're going to start the gas engine again, and we're going to go full power forward. And what's important is for you to hear the RPMs of the gas engine going down a little bit. It is important, because if you don't hear that, then the system is not sustainable and there is something wrong. So that's what we want to hear, that's what we want to do, okay? So listen to this. difference that I see is that, you can shut it off. So that's one example that so what you just witnessed is something that you don't want to do. I mean, pretty much the blade is touching the grass and that's just too much resistance. So it's very hard to start like that, you know? But what I can do is this. Just too low, you know, for the unit. So that's a good test, you know.
Okay.
So okay, so it seems that the blade is pretty much touching the ground and it's just too much for the unit. So what we are going to do is, for this kind of grass, we're going to elevate the deck a little bit. Just go over here, not too high, not too low. Okay, so I'm going to go to the same place to start the gas engine. I'll start it right there. Well, I'm glad to say that the unit is running fine. It performed well during the test that has been conducted. We tested the hybrid system. We ran the electric start at least 50 times, and it's performing really well, just like a brand new unit.